So do you have a lot of tools that you use in your business? I do. Not as many as I used to. I really learned to pare it down. And a lot of people ask me what my automation is and my favorite tools. So I thought I'd just take a minute in today's video and talk to you about the things that I must-haves for my business, must-have tools and resources that I use in my business. So first of all, my MacBook Pro is definitely a must. I found that when I made the switch from Windows to Mac, it really helped me because I beat the heck out of my computer. I mean, between designing and developing and everything else that I use it for, I found that even though the Mac was a little bit more expensive, it was definitely, well, I shouldn't say a little bit, it was more expensive. It definitely was worth that price difference for me because they just last so much longer for the strain that I put on it. And the second thing is my Google Voice number. So I don't have a landline like many of us, but I don't like giving out my personal cell phone number. So I have a Google Voice number. I've had it for, oh gosh, probably since I started my business 11 years ago, 2008. And the nice thing is that it ports to my phone, so it goes right to my phone. And there's, I can say, don't ring my business line after, a certain 5 o'clock at night, 6 o'clock at night, whatever, so that I'm not getting phone calls from it all night. And the other thing is on the Google Voice number, you can get text too. So if I need someone to text me information, or if they need to text me in an emergency situation, I can get text on my Google Voice number as well. I also really rely on my calendar. So I use Acuity for my calendar, my scheduling software. And the reason that I use Acuity is because it has a lot of really good functionality, multiple. I do use a paid version. I'm not sure what the price is now because I'm grandfathered into the rate that I have. But basically, I can make a multitude of appointments, different appointments. I can attach custom messages to those appointments, and I can do custom forms too. So with each different message, I can collect the information that I need, and then I can send follow-ups based on that particular type of appointment. And I can collect money because it does hook up with Stripe, and I believe PayPal too. The other thing that I use regularly is Photoshop, but I'm looking at different alternatives to that because while I like Photoshop, I'm really used to it. It really does streamline a lot of the creative process for me. It is a little pricey, and there are now some different alternatives that I'm looking into. One of them is Affinity. It's been talked about in some of my groups lately, so that's something that I'm definitely going to check out. And then the last thing that I use is Asana, and that's my project management space. All of my clients have a space in the project management, and that's how we communicate and share information and kind of stay on the same page. So there it is. Those are just some of my must-haves that I use in my business every single day. So until next time, I'll see you then.